Hey guys, this is Jorge Jalapeno, and today we're going to talk about metal fencing. This is a quick video on how we install our metal fencing and what we use. So to start off, I love the press point. This is a residential press point and about 16 gauge steel. And the great thing about the steel that we prefer is it's galvanized. That means it's dipped and it's waterproofed, basically weatherproofed with the galvanized zinc. It's zinc that creates the galvanization process in the metal, which keeps it from rusting. And also, here's the great thing, is that this is not just metal, it's galvanized steel and it's powder coated. That means it's coated with some powder that's magnetic, sticks to the metal, and then it's baked in an oven, and then it's basically enameled on. So this is not painted on, it's basically enameled on through a baking process. And that makes it last way longer. Of course, it can get scratched, nicked, but still that galvanized is going to keep it from rusting for a long, long time. And this is called press point. I love the press point. And we also have the picket style here, where it's just pickets. You can put what they call finals on here, like the New Orleans symbol thing, things like that. Again, this is a short video on explaining what we're going to quote to you and the differences between how we install and what they do. And again, the differences, we like to educate our customers, and we'll let you know exactly what we're doing, how we're doing it, and why we do it, and what processes, right? So a contractor can have this same material, install it, and it looks like crap because they don't know what they're doing. And it starts leaning and falling. They use cheaper cement, or they didn't dig the holes deep enough, especially when you hit rock. There's a lot of rock in Cedar Hill and things like that. And what contractors do is they'll hit the rock and not tell you that they hit rock, and they're only going a foot deep. And that causes these things to lean. And these are heavy. They're heavy panels. So even though they're not solid and the wind resistance is less, it's still a heavy product. So those are things to watch out for, right? So we do prefer these. This is what we recommend, is using galvanized steel on these metal fences, and they're powder coated. Also, they're about 8 feet wide each panel, whether it's 8 foot tall or 6 foot tall. And the post hole depth, it depends on the situation. So the normal 6 foot fence, we're going to go about 2 feet deep, 8 foot wide on the post. If it's a 8 foot or 7 foot, something like that, we're going to go 3 feet deep. And we like using a 3x3 post instead of a 2x2 post, just to give it more girth. And especially on the commercial ones, sometimes we'll use 3x3 or 4x4 posts, depending on the situation. But the commercial ones are a lot thicker. So that was a quick class on what we're going to do and what we're going to show you when we come out and give you a quote. We're basically on the quote, we're going to measure your lawn. We're going to consult with you. We're going to show you these samples and see what style you like, whether it's press point, flat top, or the picket top with the different types of style finals. We can do all kinds of gates. We can do motorized gates, double swing gates, sliding gate out of these things. Normal walk gates with the pool, swimming pool kits that automatically close when you open it, close slowly, the hinges. There's all kinds of options. Again, this is a short video on exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to come out, measure, consult with you, and give you some price points. And if you like the price, you can sign up. We can get a deposit, get you on the schedule. And depending on our schedule, Mo, he's our project manager. He's going to take care of you. He's going to get your permits. He's going to get you on our insurance, all that stuff. We have a great process when it comes to installing fences. And that's why we've installed over 200. We installed over 200 fences last year. In order to do that, we got to have a good project manager, a good office manager. Maddie's our office manager. Pretty sure you've spoken to her. But I really appreciate you having us come out to your property, and we'll check it out, and we'll give you a really good quote on exactly what you need. Again, this is a short video on this metal fencing, and I can't wait to see you. And again, it's Jorge Jalapeno. If you have any questions, or anything, give us a call at 214-702-1902, or go to our website, jalapeñofence.com.